Next, you'll set up your cost accounts masters for your jobs. Spectra offers you the flexibility of selecting several predefined master lists or create your own customized accounts. Next, you'll go into the job itself and set up your budgets, commitments, and loans. First, we'll set up the cost accounts for this particular job. We of course have the flexibility of using any lists from the cost account master, which might include custom lists that we've set up or lists from previous jobs. If we are selecting cost accounts from a previous job, then we choose which building, which job from that building, and if you want, which phase and subphase. Spectra also allows you to choose the original estimated budget or a revised estimated budget. Once that is complete, we will actually go in and fill in some figures for our estimates. Let's just quickly review an existing job. Let's first look at loan information about a particular job. Remember, a loan can be applicable to any of the job levels, that is, a job, a phase, or a subphase. Most of the information on the top of the screen is quite self-explanatory. Whenever you've previously worked with a lender, any categories for which you've borrowed money for previously are available for you to use for future jobs. Spectra allows you to keep track of your draws, and this screen is where you detail how much of the funds are applied to each of the categories. There are a few items to note. Number one is that the loan amount must balance to the amount that is on the loan categories. Secondly, notice that each category has a notes button assigned to it, which again allows you detailed notes about the funds that are associated to that particular category. Now that we know what our estimates are and we know how much money we're borrowing, let's look at our committed and non-committed budgets. The first thing we'll look at is our non-committed budgets. Each non-committed amount has a cost account that's associated with it, and each non-committed amount has a notes field associated with it. Now let's look at our committed budgets. I can search for a commitment either by the commitment number or by the supplier. Next, let's take a look at the change order process. Again, you can either search by the commitment number or by the supplier. Then I select the Manage Change Orders button. I indicate if the change was client or contractor driven. I assign a change order number and the system will advise me what the last change order number was, and then I can complete the rest of the appropriate fields. You can also manage change orders on non-committed budget items and even on the accounts themselves.